Hello, good morning. So, today, may bago na naman tayong helmet. This time from LS2. So, LS2 is a Chinese brand. Reliable na Chinese brand. In fact, okay naman yung products nila. Previously na ako nagkaroon ng LS2 Stream Evo. Kulay puti. Way back 2023, 2022. And okay naman siya. Reliable. Good quality yung materials, to be honest with you guys. So, this time, naisip kong bumili ng another helmet. Kasi yung arsenal ng helmet ko, puro, kung hindi color black, mga multicolored or yung maraming design. So, tulad nitong KYT, TT Revo. Medyo loud yung design. So, I decided, kuha naman ako ng monocolored na helmet. Wala akong puti na helmet. So, I decided to get one. And gusto ko maiba naman, since medyo race inspired si Lumi, yung motor ko. So, kung mag-try naman ng medyo enduro or yung mga dual sport na helmet. Sa loob ng box na to is yung LS2 Pioneer 2. Ang model number ng helmet na to is MX702. I think, based sa research ko, parang descendant siya or siya yung updated version ng LS2 Pioneer. MX701, hindi ko sure Pero, revamped version to. Streamlined and updated. So, quick look lang sa box. Wala namang special. Pulang-pula siya. Reminds me of the Ducati colors. So, ito yung model. LS2 MX702 Pioneer 2. Color is solid gloss white. And then, size XL. Sizing wise, di-discuss ko rin siya later. So, inside the box is yung dust bag and yung helmet. And then, sa loob niya may kasamang QR code para sa manual. Tsaka mga reflective stickers, adhesive for the reflectors, and then the helmet itself. Ganda, diba? LS2 Pioneer 2 Dual Sport. So, let's talk about yung specifications niya muna. Yung shell niya is made out of a material called KPA. This is developed by LS2 na. KPA means Kinetic Polymer Alloy. So, sabi ni AI, yung KPA or yung Kinetic Polymer Alloy is a blend of space-age thermoplastics and aramid fibers, offering a unique balance of strength, flexibility, and low weight. Weight-wise, ang weight ni LS2 Pioneer 2 as per their website is 1,600 grams or 1.6 kg plus minus 50 grams. Yun yung tolerance niya. For the sizes, meron tayong 3 shell sizes in which extra small to small is yung shell size 1, medium to large yung shell size 2, and XL to 3XL yung size 3, shell size 3. In which yung unit na hawak ko ngayon is shell size number 3, yung pinakamalaki. Sizing wise naman, base sa mga naririnig ko, medyo masikip daw tong liner nung updated na version. Yung mga ECE 2206 na models ni LS2 is mas masikip daw. So, ang recommendation is to go one size up. Yung previous ko kasi na helmet is LS2 Stream Evo, ECE 22.05 pa yun, and I remember getting a large size dati. That was way back 2022, 2023, hindi ako nagkakamali. So yun, this is ECE 22.06 homologated na. Yung pinaka-latest safety rating standard sa mga helmet. SRP is, not sure with the SRP, pero nakuha ko to for around 5,800 pesos sa Shopee. So marami pang available colors to. Merong solid na black. I think may kulay green pa nga, military green. Check nyo na lang yung mga available na colors and sizes sa Shopee or Lazada. So yun, as I've mentioned nga, this is ECE 2206 homologated, and for my size recommendation, go one size up, which is I think accurate naman. Perfect naman yung size XL sa akin. That is for 59 to 60 cm for head width or yung circumference. Now let's talk about features. Features naman tayo. For the safety features niya, meron siyang this one, yung emergency release system niya kapag maaksidente kayo or sumemplang, huwag naman sana, yung mga first aider, pwede nilang hilahin to. This is the emergency release system ni LS2. Hihilahin lang to para matanggal yung foam sa helmet, and then safely na matatanggal yung ulo nyo dun sa helmet. It also has a micrometric buckle, and snappy naman siya. Ang ganda ng build quality, to be honest. Although kahit plastic siya, matigas siya ng plastic, maganda yung build quality. Plastic itong part na to, pero this one I think is bakal na. No, actually plastic din to. Plastic. It also has a multi-density EPS liner, yung looban niya, pinaka-liner niya. reinforced chin strap. Yung chin strap niya daw is reinforced. And metal security plate. Although I'm not sure kung ano yung function nito. I'm assuming dito naka-secure yung etong chin strap natin. Now, for the ventilation naman, meron siyang multiple exhaust ports. So, ang exhaust ports, merong 4 akong nakikita. 1, 2, 3, 4. It also has a channel EPS or yung EPS liner niya, yung pinaka-foam niya sa loob. Designed siya in a way na makaka-capture niya yung air papalabas dun sa helmet. It also has multiple top air intakes. So, meron akong nakikita 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 na top air intakes. Sa harap naman, isang malaking intake dito sa bandang baba, sa chin area. Ready na rin daw ito for LS2 intercom. Hindi ko nabubuksan, no? Hindi rin naman kasi ako nag-intercom. Planning pa lang akong kumuha. I was thinking I will get yung Reso brand. Chinese brand din siya. Ganyan ang itsura nung intercom na yun. Dahil lang sa itsura kaya kukunin. Yung inner liner niya rin is removable and washable, breathable, hypoallergenic, laser cut yung foam, and meron siyang chin curtain. For the visor naman, ready for pin lock na to. Pin lock 70 max vision. Meron siyang pin visor system, scratch resistant and UV resistant tong main visor. Ito naman yung kanyang dual visor. Ganda. Pero, ewan kung gagamitin ko to. Kasi may binili na rin naman akong smoke na visor. So, meron siyang sticker dito, emergency tab. Ito yung emergency pull tab to pull the cheek pad. Dito yung na-mention ko kanina. Shame lang, no? It's a shame na hindi siya kulay pula or hindi man lang sila naglagay ng any red colored na elements. So, yun yung una kong complaint siguro dito sa helmet na to. This should be in color red para ma-determine siya nung nag-responde na emergency pull tab siya. Kasi, paano mo malalaman, di ba? Talagang uhulaan mo na lang to or troubleshooting ka talaga dito sa helmet na to pagka may ma-aksidente man nagamit tong ganitong model ng helmet. Other than that, build quality is nice. Malambot yung foam niya, no? Ganda sa loob. Komportable to. Tsaka saktong-sakto sa akin yung size XL. Ganda nung decision ko na nag-size up ako. Kasi I can't imagine kung kinuha ko to ng size large. Siguro ang sigip sa mukha ko. Mamaya papakita ko kung how does it fit. Pero for now, tanggalin muna natin tong sticker. Meron din pala siyang eyeglasses fit system. Yan, UV and scratch resistant, light and resistant KPA material, removable peak, and maximum ventilation. Yung peak niya pala, itong sa ulo, parang sunshade to eh. Na-adjust naman siya. Luluwagan nyo lang to. Yan, tapos magagalaw na siya. Pwede nyo rin siyang tanggalin dito. May unscrew lang kayo dito na bolt. Pero for now, I leave it at the middle setting. Then yung vents niya, ito. Actually, 7 pala yung vents. 7 pala yung top vents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Meron pa pala sa gitna. Na-open and close din yan. Yung sa harap naman, chin vent na open and close to sa loob. Sa loob yung pinaka-mechanism niya. Yan. So, nice. Very nice. Sa likod, wala tayong adjustability to open and close. Sulat naman dito, LS2 ECE 2206 is XL 61 to 62 cm. 1650 yung claimed na weight for size XL siguro. Pero yun, really nice. Really nice. Very nice. Sukatin natin to. Tanggalin pala muna natin to, no? Tinanggal ko pa, hindi ko rin magagamitin yun. Hindi ko rin magagamitin tong clear para lang malinis na. Para magamit ko na tong helmet na tong tagal ng katambak. Hindi ko magamit kasi hindi pa ako makapag-vlog. Kailan ka ako mag-vlog ko muna ito bago ko gamitin. So good. Yan, sukatin natin. Testing natin. Fit check. Yan na siya. So this is the front view. Ganda ng fit. Maybe separate video na pag nag-road test tayo. But initial impressions, good. Okay naman yung fit niya. Maluwag sa bibig. Tsaka maganda yung field of view, to be honest with you. Medyo similar yung field of view niya kay KYT TT Revo. or TT course, maganda yung angle ng field of view. For this one, kitang-kita ko lahat eh. Mukha kong alien sa helmet na to be honest. Pero ang ganda nung styling niya. Ganda nung fit. So yun. One last final look. Yung side view, maganda yung side view nito. So yun guys, I hope you like this video. Please consider subscribing, tsaka bilhin na rin kayo nito. Ganda. Yun lang, dito na ako guys. Love you.